The case filed against Wasantha Mudalige and Venerable Galvava Siridamatero was taken up for examination once again on Tuesday in the presence of Colombo Additional Magistrate Tharanga Mahavatta. Citing two incidents that took place at two previous court sessions, Senior Deputy Solicitor General Dileepa Piris requested that the case be examined in the presence of a separate magistrate. He said that 4 detectives from the Terrorist Investigations Division had made note of the incidents via affidavits. Senior Deputy Solicitor General Dileepa Piris informed the Additional Magistrate that the matter was addressed to the Attorney General's Department by the Inspector General of Police. President's Counsel Salia Piris, appearing for Wasantha Mudalige, opposed this request and pointed out that action can be taken on such a request based on sections 46 and 47 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. The President's Counsel cited concerns for such a request being made in the background where facts were reported to court even after the said incidents. The Colombo Additional Magistrate Tharanga Mahavatta requested the Senior Deputy Solicitor General to reveal the contents mentioned in the affidavits. The Senior Deputy Solicitor General in open court presented the views expressed by the Additional Magistrate when both suspects were produced in court. He pointed out that when Venerable Galvava Siridamatero was produced in the court, the Additional Magistrate had made a comment to the effect that strength is required to engage in a struggle. The Senior Deputy Solicitor General had also pointed out a statement that noted that one's limbs are also bound, and the statement that noted that it would be easy to obtain bail when produced in the court in his presentation. He also noted that the affidavits contain a statement made by the Additional Magistrate, noting that it was not wise to produce Venerable Siridamatero, who has a very small body, to the court by concealing his identity. The Senior Deputy Solicitor General went on to note that the affidavits produced by the detectives of the TID mentioned the incident of awarding money for Venerable Galvava Siridamatero to purchase 2 packets of Paspangua, an energy-based powder, when he was produced at the magistrate's official chamber. Colombo Additional Magistrate Tharanga Mahavatta had informed the detectives from the TID that she acted on providing indigenous medicine to the Venerable Thero after considering the medical reports of the Thero. She also noted that money was given to purchase an energy-based powder in the presence of the TID detectives, and it took place in the open. President's Counsel Salia Piris questioned if the Judicial Services Commission was informed, and a complaint was also filed over the claims. The Senior Deputy Solicitor General said that after obtaining permission, the Judicial Services Commission would be informed either today or on Wednesday. President's Counsel Salia Piris alleged that the state was making an undue influence on the court and inconveniencing the Additional Magistrate by producing facts and documents without even informing the Judicial Services Commission. The Senior Deputy Solicitor General in response said that a confidential evidence report will be produced to the court. After considering all the facts, the Colombo Additional Magistrate Tharanga Mahavatta removed the case from her number 8 court and directed it to the number 1 court. Thereafter, the case was taken up in the presence of Colombo Chief Magistrate Prasanna Alves, and an order was made to make documented submissions on the 24th of January 2023. The Chief Magistrate also ordered to remand Wasantha Mudalige until the 31st of January 2023.
This government is not only suppressing the people, but it is also trying to influence the High Court, which is last resort for those who have been oppressed. We are ashamed that the Attorney General and the Attorney General's Department had influenced a judge with the Terrorist Investigation Division. There needs to be a law. However, we see that when the law is enforced, it is different for the elite. There appears to be a separate law for the common man. Therefore, the Attorney General's Department, at the behest of the government, is trying to change the judges. The legal fraternity oppose these moves, and we will protect the judge with our lives.